Alright, February the 16th, 2023. You may hear a stream running over here to my left. We've had some heavier rain in here with a tornado possible threat later here in a few hours anyway. Detector power efficiency. Truth be told, what is the most efficient VLF detector out there for power? You know, it seems like I remember a video and there was an engineer talking, and there was a question, or the discussion sort of evolved into something about wireless versus wired, and battery capacity, runtime. Wireless wasn't such a good idea for that reason, because I guess you would be restricted from battery size inside the call. Well, you look at the runtime on that DS2. I wonder if we put the DS2 in deep high conductor. Now let's just discount headphone use. Let's just turn all the speakers to 0 on those machines, and we hook that Manicore up in deep high conductor. Turn the speaker down on it, and turn them machines on. The Manicore and the DS2. Have you looked at the specs of the batteries of that DS2? Well, I showed you all last night the Manicore battery. So that DS2 is burning a lot less juice. Now, the F75, 4 AA batteries in it. I had one of them things. I had a couple of them. 4 AA batteries. You know, you can look around and see some run times on that machine, single frequency. So what if we put the DS2 in 13 kilohertz and turn it on, and turn on the F75 with 4 batteries with a certain rating in them? Well, we know the F75 is going to run longer, but look at the battery capacity versus what the DS2 has. So that DS2 looks like it's fairly energy efficient, but you know, it may be one of the more efficient detectors when it comes to utilization of power, you know. But now that DS2 will do things that F75 won't do. We know that. It is interesting though. And this Y stream that this XP company is using, talking to this call, I mean, is that more energy efficient versus current coming up that call wire on a, you know, more typical setup? I mean, I don't know. It does make you wonder though. I mean, you're talking about 4 times, or maybe better than 4 times the power rating on that Manicore battery. Now it does have that screen on it, you know, and I really wish these metal detector companies would start coming out with, now it don't have to be precise, but a good estimation of milliamps per hour used, and maybe some different configurations, you know, like use an external speaker only, like with a Manicore, versus using the Bluetooth or whatever they're using. I don't know what that plays into that detector either. What about screen brightness? Screen brightness at 50% versus 100%. Some kind of milliamp hour per use consumption. Even in the different modes, they can do that. Wouldn't be that difficult. And you know, estimation. Instead of just a run time, that doesn't tell us much. But now XP, you know, they do give some run times for the different modes on their machine, that DS2. They do that. I believe they do that for the, maybe the DS1, I can't remember. I know they do for the DS2. Well, anyway, that's the talk of today. I hope you enjoyed.